Tahu FM is the #1 Māori radio station in all of Te Waipounamu. Broadcasting in Waihopai in Invercargill on 99.6 FM, o Te Poti Dunedin 95 FM, Timaru 89.1 FM, Christchurch o Tautahi 90.5 FM, Kaikoura 90.7 FM. We are nationwide on Sky Channel 423, worldwide on the app Tahu FM, and of course on www.tahufm.online.
Ko te kaupapa rangatira, ko te reo Māori.
Our #1 goal is to revitalise Te Reo Māori. So being a Māori radio station, of course, we play all of the latest Māori music.
Pareire tapa, kununu tapa, tapa kununu koe ana tupua. Tapareia tapa, kununu tapa.
You don't know where you're going unless you know where you've been. That's why we play kapaka, ngeri, pao, waiata aringa, haka, and much more. To honour our ancestors, to remember our history, and to uphold our tikanga.
Me te manaaki I te iwi o Ngai Tahu. Here is your kupu Māori for today. If you are on your Te Reo Māori journey, what an awesome journey to be on. The kupu for today is Puoro Taketake. And Puoro Taketake means indigenous music. So if you wanted to use it in a sentence, you could say He Waimari e tātou, he Puoro Taketake e ora tonu nei, which means we are lucky that indigenous music still lives within us. Kore rā te kupu Māori o te rangi nei, indigenous music, Puoro Taketake. And speaking of indigenous music, here is the brand new Puoro Taketake. Now, Troy Kingi, it's tūwhiti a te hopo, which means feel the fear and do it anyway, you're on Tahu. Kia ora te whānau, meri kirihimete.
We're just about to go shopping!
Our recent Big Raumati competition was our most successful competition to date with almost 500 entries.
I got all my Kia Tahu FM every day next week. Tune in order to win these awesome prizes. Meri kirihimete te whānau.
Our text machine and our social media has been going absolutely porangi, with thousands of messages from whānau from all over Te Waipounamu and beyond. Whānau feedback ranges from the Reo Māori journey, their favourite waiata, marriage advice for our boy Piki, and even their favourite kai. So, how can we collaborate? Well, by utilising our platform and our amazing Ātāhua team of professionals, we can help get your message out to our whānau.
Joining us right now, marunga ake I te Waipukoro, I have the kai whakahaere o Ngai Tahu, Lisa Tumahai, on the Waipukoro I tēnei ata nei. Morena, Lisa.
Morena Piki, morena whānau.
Morena, Lisa, pai te rongo ake I a koe I tēnei ata nei.
Tāngata Ngai Tahu Volume 2 is available for purchase now. Like its award-winning predecessor, it celebrates the rich, diverse lives of the people of Ngai Tahu. Would you like to be a shot-over jet driver? Live a fun, exciting, fast-paced lifestyle. Create special moments for people from all walks of life. And enjoy some of the world's most beautiful scenery. Or if you just need a boost in your wairua, nau mai, piki mai, tauti mai, kia Tahu FM.
Away.